Very tasty, super healthy and simple to prepare. Hello everyone, welcome to Fulaw's Kitchen. Today I am sharing a recipe which can be enjoyed as breakfast, lunch or dinner. And this is high in protein because we are making this recipe with green moong. So let's start the recipe. So here I have 2 cups of soaked green moong, half onion roughly chopped, 1 to 2 green chili, tiny bit of ginger piece and handful of coriander leaves. To prepare the soaked moong, just soak green moong overnight with water and in the morning just rinse it through and you have soaked moong ready for your recipe. So we need to grind all this together. So everything goes in a mixer or grinder along with some salt, and we are also going to add here half a slice of bread. So any kind of bread, brown bread, white bread, whatever you have, you can add half a slice of bread, just break it into pieces and add it to your mixer grinder, and around half a cup of water. So we are going to grind everything together. So now we have our paste ready, and add little bit of water in your mixer grinder and make sure that everything is out because it's super healthy. It's very high in protein, so you don't want to waste anything. And you can see the consistency. This is the kind of runny consistency it should be. It should not be too runny as well as not too thick as well. And here I am adding a secret ingredient which adds tons of flavor to this, which is bhuna jeera powder. It's very simple to prepare. I'm going to share the recipe in the I button, but you can prepare this with 1 tablespoon of cumin seed and 1 to 2 red chili. Just roast it dry and make a powder of it and keep it. And to prepare the griddle, just add some oil, mix it on the griddle, hot griddle, and then with a paper towel, wet paper towel, just wipe it off. That makes our griddle smooth and ready for our batter. And then just spread the batter as you prepare pancake or dosa, and just put some oil and carefully start lifting the edges after a minute or so. Once you see your batter is about to dry, so then start lifting the edges carefully and then turn it around. Flip it over gently, put some oil on both sides. This can actually be prepared with very little oil, or you can add oil generously, and you have this very healthy chilla ready to enjoy. You can enjoy this dish with ketchup or pickle, and do give it a try and share your comments with us. And we have plenty more healthy recipes on our channel, so if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and give it a like if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.